How to remove background sound on Instagram Reels. Now, if we are irritated by the background sounds that we hear on our Instagram Reels, all we have to do is to tap on this plus button right here and go to Reels. Once we're here, we just have to tap on camera, or we can use something from our camera roll. After that, we just have to shoot or capture a video for our reel. Let's say right here. After that, we just have to tap on next right here and click on this music button right here. Now, if we tap on that, we'll be able to see various options that have control, voiceover, saved, or sound effect. Now, we just have to tap on controls right here. And we will be able to set the volume of all our video clips that is included into this video. So we can adjust it to however we want it to be. We can mute it, or we can also maintain it as it is. If we want to remove the background sound of an Instagram reel, we just have to decrease the volume of this clip right here and hit on done. Have to hit on this button and share it to our Instagram account. So that's how to remove background sound on Instagram Reels. Hope we help.